Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this makeup look. I kind of failed on the eyeliner, I know. It's not my best, but it's pretty cute. A pink and green makeup look with a cute little heart. So yeah, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and let's get started. So I'm going to put on some groovy music. I'm not going to actually play Queen because of copyright reasons, but yeah, I've been collecting cassettes lately. If you guys would like to see a cassette video collection thingy, please let me know. And yeah, let's get started. So hello! So I'm going to be using some foundation first. And I'm going to put some on my hand and blend it out with a sponge. So yeah, just do blend, blend, blend. Then I'm going to get some concealer and put that under my eyes and on my forehead and on my nose and blend it all out. Blend, 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 blend with the sponge. Do, 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 ba, 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 da, da. Yeah. So now I'm going to take my contouring palette and contour and stuff. So yeah, you want to chisel out the cheekbones and the nose and yee. And then here I'm just contouring my nose. Do, 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 do. Ba, 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 ba. So yeah, now I'm just gonna go ahead and do blush. Yep. I'm gonna go ahead and put some blush on my cheeks and make it super kawaii. So yeah, now it is time for eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a pink from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Here I am deciding what pink to use. And then I'm gonna use a green from the Sugar Pill Gamer Kitten palette. I forgot what it's called. And then I'm just going to put the pink in the eyelid area and I'm going to put the green in the crease. I think that's what it's called. And I'm going to blend it all out and make it look really cute. So yeah, and here I am going in with this Sugar Pill Kitten palette. This is one of my favorite palettes. Nothing is sponsored in this video. I just really like this palette. Oh, I dropped it. I can't even speak, you guys. Yes, I am beautiful. And put the green in the crease. So yeah. And then here I am trying to be cute, and I had realized at that moment I had dropped a palette on the floor. Then I added some glitter to the pink part, because you know that's very important in any kawaii look. Glitter! And this was when it kind of started becoming a fail. I tried to draw a heart on my cheek with eyeliner and green eyeshadow, and it kind of didn't really look very good, so I covered it up and used a pink liquid lipstick to draw a new little heart. So here I am filling in the heart and making it look really cute. And then I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm sure beautiful. And then here is another fail. This is why this video is kind of a fail. I tried to put on the eyeliner and I smudged it, so it ended up looking really bad. But yeah. So then I put on some mascara, trying to save the look, and it looked alright. Wasn't my best work though, but yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Don't mess up on your eyeliner, and yeah, I love you guys so much, and we'll see you all later, and Instagram and Twitter are down below, and bye. I love you guys.